Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yes.
Yeah. So just writing the code only and knowing the things in the real time, guys. Okay, that is not a sufficient and that is not enough, right? So before writing the code, we must know that, right? Whatever code we are writing, that code is right. We are writing or not. Once if we are running the sonar and all those things, our code will reject. Our sonar tool will reject the code. So then what we need to do now, how we can know that at the time of developing our application, how we can know that whatever code we are writing, that code is correct or not, right or not. Then for that we need to install those plugins, right? Coding rules plugin, like what is that, PMD or sonar plugin. So whenever we will write, at that time only our what is that ID will give the suggestion you are writing the wrong code. You need to write that ID will give the suggestion. Based on that suggestion only, what we need to do now, we need to write the code. Okay, some people is saying that this is right like this also, right? This is not a good approach. It's working, friends. Okay, and this one also working, but the thing is, in the compiler, right, this syntax is there, right? In this syntax internally, this one also the right only, but the thing is, to compiling this code, our compiler will take more time than this one, because this rule is following our compiler. This rule is not following. Okay, so if you say that, then performance also will reduce. Our application performance also will reduce. That is the reason we need to follow what programming rule, right? Some teacher is saying that I write it like this. Okay, means what is that? Means whatever I'm explaining the things is wrong. No, friends. Okay, because the whoever developed the programming language, those only verified these things. Okay, those people only verified these things. They are not full. Okay, we are the teacher and we are just using those technology. And if we put the finger on those people or those programming language, then what? We are nothing front of them. Okay, so means if little bit, if you want to become little bit good programmer, then what you need to do now, you need to follow some rules and guidelines at the time of writing the code now, friends. Okay, at the time of writing the code now. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, so one more issue now, one issue we understood. Now let's understand one more issue with what is that TypeScript, right? Let's understand one more issue with what TypeScript now, guys. Okay, so TypeScript, in the type, sorry, why I'm saying TypeScript, JavaScript. One more issue with what is that JavaScript. JavaScript is what is that? Schema less. Schema less now in handling data, in handling data now. Okay, so now fine, friends, what is that, what is the schema less? Let's understand that one also. So everyone is ready for that, to understanding what is the schema less problem in the JavaScript now, friends?
Yes.
Yeah. So only Manjulata, Sandeep, and these people only giving the answer. What about that? People are afternoon time, they are sleeping. Some people in the some people area winter season is there. Some people areas like what is that? Like what is that? Summer season. Yeah, summer season is there like that. They are feeling based on their environment, different feeling now, friends. Don't feel. Okay, I'm there in the year what, Chennai, and in the Chennai too much.
Chennai.
Yeah, in the Chennai too much hot, right? So enjoy our session now, friends. Okay, enjoy our session.
Yeah, but in
because
Chandigarh will be
because I'm promising you people. Okay, by paying the money also, these things no one can teach you. No one
yes,
can.
sure.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
Yeah,
It's
so
correct.
that,
Yes.
because the things is whatever things I'm presenting front of you people, see, I'm like with my experiences only, right? Whatever things I'm facing, whatever challenges I'm facing in my life, sorry, in the career, each and everything I'm delivering to you people, and how easily I'm presenting front of you people. If anybody is utilizing these things, it's my guarantee they can like they can become a wonderful software engineer in their company, sorry, in their life, career.
Yeah, yeah. We got a lot of
Yeah, so even though just I'm saying that, guys, even though I'm not just a teacher, just an this is the like I passionated to help the people who want to become like good in their position. For that only, like, otherwise, see, I'm too much like, by looking me, no one can say he's in this position in this kind of company, and like he's having this kind of knowledge also. If you meet personally, right, no one can like tell he's a like just by meeting me, no one can tell he's a software engineer. I'm like living the life like that only. So, but the thing is, guys, okay, but whenever it comes in the profession, right, don't compromise with anything. Just learn the subject. Now, because I'm enjoying the life, I'm enjoying my life too much also, right? It's no one can enjoy that like how much I'm enjoying my life, friends. Okay, so that is the reason, just by sitting and all those things. Morning 6 o'clock, I'm waking up. Even though Saturday, Sunday, in the weekend, the people, what the people is doing, yes, let's enjoy our weekend by sleeping the day, or after evening, just they are going for the bar and all. They are taking what, full of water, and they are returning back to room, and they are again sleeping, right? These things also is not there inside me. Actually, I'm not a drinker, I'm not a smoker, guys. Okay, now, okay, let's begin our session. Okay, let's begin our discussion now. So let's understand JavaScript. JavaScript, what is that? Schema-less in handling the data now. In handling the data now. Okay, so now, what is the schema-less now? So just assume that, what is that? What I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? Just I'm in this JavaScript itself only. In the JavaScript itself only, what I'm going to do now? I'm taking one where let's take product. Where product is, again, I'm saying that whatever code I'm writing, don't bother about that. This is not our things, guys. Okay, this is the JavaScript code. These are the JavaScript code. But before entering in the TypeScript, I'm showing that what is the problem. Now we are in the last stage to understanding the problem in the JavaScript. Okay, now we are entering in slowly we are preparing for us to enter in the TypeScript, guys. Okay, TypeScript now. Okay, so now here I'm taking, what is that? Let's take some, this is the array type data. Okay, these are the array type data I'm taking now. I'm taking, what is that? Name. I'm taking name colon, let's take TV now. Okay, now next I'm taking, what is that? Price. It's a price, right? I'm taking, what is that? Price. Let's take 3400 now. Okay, 00. Okay, this is the price of this one. Okay, now I'm taking, what is that? Stock, right? Stock I'm taking. Let's make this let's take the boolean value with this one now. Okay, now next, what is that? Let's take one more data, right? One more value. Now here, what is that? Again, open curly bracket and close curly bracket now. Okay, so inside that, again, let's take name, and here, what is that? Which one? What we will take it now? Let's take mobile. Let's take mobile now. Okay, after then we are taking price. We are taking the price now. Okay, price we are taking, let's take 45500. Okay, something dot 00. Okay, this is the price we took now. Okay, after then, what is that? Let's take stock. Stock is not available, means make this one as a false. Make this one as a false now. Okay, so this is the data we are taking. This is what is that? Array type. Inside that, multiple property we took now. Okay, so after then, what we are going to do now, friends? I'm going to print it now. I'm going to print this data now. So for for condition I'm taking, right? For condition, let's take where items of what is that? Items of what? Product, right? Items of what? Product. Items are, let's make this one as a plural, products. Copy items of what is that? Products. I'm iterating now. Okay. I'm iterating now. Document dot write. Right? Document dot write. Okay, so just what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to print it now, guys. Okay, again I'm saying that, friends, don't bother about the code. Just whatever problems is there, those problems I'm showing to you people, just care about those problems. Okay, because this is the TypeScript missed after product. Okay, equal to, yeah, good. Okay, now here, what is that? Which one? Let's take okay, now let's take dollar symbol. Now open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Now here what I'm going to do now, let's take name. Let's take name, right? Name, or sorry, we need first item, right? Reference variable, this reference variable, item dot name, item dot name, right? Item dot name, we are taking what is that? Item dot name. Now again, what is that? Let's take again dollar symbol, open curly bracket and close curly bracket, item colon, let's take price. Now again, let's take what is that? Dollar symbol, open,
Ravi, item dot price, na?
sorry,
Item dot price
Colon,
instead of
sorry,
written
that is the
item
colon.
dot price.
Here
Yeah,
column.
dot, sorry, dot
yeah.
price, right? Good. Now here, what is that? Item dot stock, item dot what? Stock. Now after then, let's break the line. Let's take BR, break the line, right? Break the line now. Okay, after breaking the line, let's print it. Okay, let's print it now. Okay, let's print it now. Okay, this is the iteration block. Now let's print it. Okay, yeah, it's printing only, sorry, it's my mistake now. Okay, now come on the screen, just refresh it. See, it's presenting the data or not? Come on, it's presenting TV, this is the price and this is the true. Mobile, this is the
Yes.
price and this is the false, right? Come on. But the thing is, guys, okay, but the thing is, what I'm going to do now, see, this is the one properties values, right? And this is the difference now. So what I'm doing now here, I'm taking names. Let's make this one as a names. Now see, and refreshing now. See, what is that? Undefined. Here we are getting undefined, as well as what is that? Still we are getting the data. This is what is that? This is a good, this is the very bad things. It should give the wrong, it should give the error, right? But still it's not presenting the error. It's saying that undefined the things, right? Come on.
Yeah. Yes.
This is not right. Okay, this is what is that? It's saying that undefined. It should give the error. But it's not giving the error, right? So now if we want to present these things, then what we need to do now? Explicitly also we can present it, right? Explicitly also we can present it. How we can present it now? So then we need to write what is that? Document dot write, and we can take this one as a product now dot names, right? Dot names, like that also, like that if we take, then it will present it, right? Then it will present it now. So just refresh it. See, in the downside, it's giving the mobile, right? It's a downside, it's giving the mobile now. Okay, but the problem is here, what again we are doing now, friends? Here, just change it, right? Just change the things as a what, like something 4500 something, right? Now come here and refresh it. See, it's presenting the number also again. This is the schemaless, means without a structure, it's presenting the data or not? Come on.
Yes.
So this is the biggest issue with what is that?
Yes, sir.
JavaScript, guys. Okay, this is the schemaless behavior of what? Our JavaScript now. So same like sometime, you know, some collaboration is happening, right? Some collaboration is happening. The people is saying that what? Some people is confused about that JavaScript. What is that? JavaScript just language, like this is the what is that? OOP programming language. No, friends. Okay, just JavaScript is supporting OOP. Some features is supporting, some features of OOP it's supporting, but JavaScript is not object-oriented programming language, right? So now I will show those things as a practical also, because some people, friends, and those people, hey, I learned something. Someone is told me, some teachers is still told me JavaScript is object-oriented programming language. No, friends, JavaScript is just supporting the OOP, some features of OOP. It's not a full OOP, sorry, object-oriented programming language. It's supporting the like what? OOP features, some OOP features, not a totally. Okay, I will show you and I will present you, and even I will show the documentation, whatever whoever developed JavaScript is, what is that? Brandon H is developed, right? Brandon H is developed this, what is that? Like what? Our JavaScript programming, right? So now one more things, let's understand. JavaScript support several features of what is that? OOP, right? OOP, but it is not an OOP language, but it is not OOP language. So anyone, we know that, right? In the initial day only we understood, right? JavaScript is developed by what is that? Brandon, right? Brandon, okay, Brandon H, right? Which is what is that? MDN. Okay, so now let's check it, right? Now what I'm going to do now, open the JavaScript MDN, right? Yeah, JavaScript MDN. Okay, this one only. Which one the open? Yeah. Now here, what is that? What it's saying now? JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted, right? Compiled programming language, right? Compiled programming language. Now what is that? It's supporting different Node.js, something different languages, right? But the here, what is that? JavaScript is a dynamic, capable, including runtime object construction, right? Object construction, variable, parameter, list, function, variable, dynamic scripting, right? Now it will be clearly mentioned somewhere. 1 minute, I want to show that. This section decides the JavaScript language specification environment. Because I was open this document, right? So I read. Where that one? I read that in the document only. Just 1 minute. Yeah, see this? See, what is that? Multi-paradigm language supporting OOP, object-oriented, interactive and declarative, right? Declarative style. What it's saying now, friends? What is that? Supporting object-oriented. Come on, but it's not a object-oriented programming. Come on.
Yeah.
In the document is clearly supporting object-oriented, right? Supporting object-oriented. JavaScript is a prototype-based multi-paradigm single-threaded dynamic language supporting object-oriented. Object-oriented. It's a supporting object-oriented, but it's not a object-oriented, right? Object-oriented programming. Okay, now let's see the things as a practically only, right? Let's see these things as a practical. Okay, if this is the object-oriented programming, okay, so I'm opening the Visual Studio now, friends. I'm opening the Visual Studio now. My system is nowadays becoming too much slow. Okay, now here what I'm going to do now, I'm taking, let's take home dot home.js. Okay, I'm taking, what is that? Home.js. Okay, so here what I'm taking now, I'm taking class, let's take simple. I'm taking, what is that? Class simple. I took class as a simple. Inside that, what I'm taking now, I'm taking one name variable. Let's take Ravi. Okay, I'm taking, what is that? Name, let's take Ravi. Okay, I'm taking, but I want this data should not visible to outside. I don't want to. Then what is that? Private. We will make the private. If type is JavaScript is what? Like OOP, it's supporting object oriented, then it's supporting private also or not? Come on, friends, what it's saying now?
Yes, Ravi.
The private modifier can only be used in the TypeScript file. Come on, what is that? Our ID is saying that directly or not? It's not supporting in the JavaScript, right? It's supporting. Yeah. Okay. Now, okay, then fine. This is the proof for that. Okay. This is the proof for one now. Okay. Now, next what I'm taking now, if JavaScript is, what is that? Object-oriented programming language, then what is that? Its support interfaces is nothing but contracts also, not contracts also or not. So I'm taking, what is that? Let's take I and interface I, let's take product now. Okay, so if it is what, if it is supporting programming language, it can support, what is that? Interface also or not? It's saying that clearly. It's saying that interface declaration can only be used in the TypeScript, not in the JavaScript, guys. Okay, so if anyone says that, what is that? TypeScript is, what is that? OOP programming language, then that is the wrong or not? Come on, see, if these things is if any programming language is what is the supporting OOP without interface, any possibility is there where we can override and over hiding concept we can implement? Come on. Without contract, without interface, there is no possibility, friends, right? So one point is cleared or not? JavaScript is not a object oriented programming language, right? So now with if this one JavaScript is not supporting what? If JavaScript is not supporting what? Not supporting what? OOP, then what is the issue with this? What is the issue with what? What is the issue with what? JavaScript now. So it's the code security issue, right? Code security issues, right? And what is that? Next issue is what is that? Implementation issues, right? Issues like what is that? How class implements how class implements an interface without what is that interface? There is no implementation, right? There is no implementation. If it is supporting, then we can achieve the, then we can say that what? JavaScript is what? JavaScript is what is that? Programming language. So by looking these things, right, then what is that? What is that? Google team is started by looking these things. Google started and new script, right? Script that is called what is now, friends? At script now. We learned in the initial days or not? At script, right? But before that, what is that? Microsoft team is what is that? Microsoft started TypeScript before at script, but before at script, right? Come on, we discussed about that already, these things. Come on, please respond it now, whoever knows that.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Right?
Yes.
Now, so now what is that? Now let's begin our what is that TypeScript discussion now, guys. Okay, we will learn each and everything in the TypeScript, friends. Okay, we will learn each and everything in the TypeScript. So what I'm thinking about that, let's stop our session today itself, here itself only. Tomorrow we will start what is that TypeScript, guys. Okay, tomorrow we will start what is that TypeScript program.
TypeScript.
And we will learn each and everything in the TypeScript. Then we will enter in the Angular framework, guys. Okay, I will make you people as expert in the TypeScript as well as in the Angular, friends. Okay, but the thing is regularity need. Okay, whenever I'm taking the session, in the session you guys should involve. Okay, until unless just by namesake, if you people are listening the things and after then you guys are not doing the practical, nothing will come, friends. Okay, so now I'm stopping the session here itself only. Tomorrow we will continue our TypeScript programming now, guys. Okay, so thank you, that's all for the day, friends. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you, Ravi.
And we will meet tomorrow.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Sir.